Hi everyone, I am Vincent Dumalyang from BSIT FSM2 and I'm here to present the HACCP plan of Caesar salad. So our main ingredient is romaine lettuce leaves, and here are the procedures. Combine garlic and olive oil in a large mixing bowl, then whisk. Allow to sit for 15 minutes for the garlic juices to mix well with the oil. I put an exclamation sign to the romaine lettuce because there's a possibility that the lettuce is initially contaminated with foodborne pathogens. I put a asterisk sign to the garlic because there's a possibility of contamination with foodborne pathogens from surfaces that we use. Put in the egg yolks and whisk until properly distributed. I put an exclamation sign to the egg yolks because there's a possibility that the egg is initially contaminated with foodborne pathogens. And a asterisk sign because there's a possibility of contamination from surfaces or equipments that we use. I also put a plus sign in whisking because while whisking there's a possibility that the bacteria can be multiplied. Add in the salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and lemon juice, then mix well. I put an asterisk sign in the salt and pepper because there's a possibility of contamination from the surface. And exclamation sign to the Worcestershire sauce because there's a possibility that the food is initially contaminated with foodborne pathogens. Put in half of the Parmesan cheese, then whisk until the texture becomes smooth. I put an exclamation sign to the Parmesan cheese because there's also a possibility that the cheese is initially contaminated with foodborne pathogens. And a hashtag sign in mixing because there's a possibility of contamination with foodborne pathogens from the person who handled the food. Toast the leaves to evenly distribute the mixture. Add the croutons and the remaining Parmesan cheese, then toast once more. I put an exclamation sign to the croutons because there's a possibility that the bread is initially contaminated with foodborne pathogens. Transfer to a salad plate or serving plate. Then pour your favorite salad dressing on top. I put a asterisk sign because there's a possibility of contamination from surface that we use. Serve right away, share and enjoy.